Windows can't find the Rfxvmt Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've prepared a guided solution to fix this critical library mismatch. Before we dive into the Rfxvmt library troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Rfxvmt library, the RemoteFX Video Miniport library. It manages localized hardware accelerated graphics for remote desktop, RDP, virtual machines. It facilitates the localized encoding of the localized 3D video stream for low-latency remote display. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Rfxvmt is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scan now in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Rfxvmt library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Installing an unverified version of Rfxvmt Library DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping Rfxvmt library synchronized. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Rfxvmt library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.